Hi, good Sunday morning to everybody. This is Anna from hotoptionbabe.com. I have on the screen is the chart of the E-minis of the S&P 500, the futures. And I've superimposed it a little bit because I want to show you a couple things on here that show that we're nearing a top. Unless the bulls pull something out of their hat, we're pretty much nearing a top. We still have this inverted head and shoulders here on the end of the chart. Now, if I take this out a little bit, you can still see we still have that big head and shoulder that now it looks like it's producing a double shoulder type scenario. So that looks to still be playing out. If you take a look at the DMI and at the impose this a little bit more. There you can see that head and shoulder, that shoulder, left shoulder, got sort of a double shoulder going on. We're nearing the top. I think it's possible the bulls can push it up to 1150 area, maybe a little bit higher, but more than likely that might be around expiration week, which is week after this one. Now, if you look at the stochastics, they're not pointing down yet on the daily, but they're overbought. The MACD is still showing a buy signal. It's not crossing down, it's not crossing over, but we do have clear divergence here on the histogram. Let me enlarge that so you can see it, if I can get it. This wants to mess with me today. So it's showing divergences here. So bearish divergences. Let's go to the 60. And take a quick look at that, and then we'll look at the 4-hour. It was a really interesting day Friday because the bears had every reason to take the ball and run with it. And did they do it? No. I actually went long in the morning on Friday, and you can see what happened. We had this big move down, bear flag, beautiful bear flag, and they completely negated that. Pushing that, look at that perfect bear flag, and then they just went brum, brum, and up. And now on the 60, the stochastics are pointing up. We've got the MACD gaining up here, which is showing some bullish divergence, and as well on the MACD histogram. So I expect that Monday might be a positive day. We've had no volume on the buys or the sells, so that's a pretty telling story as well. And then you have your, let's go to the 4-hour. Well, that was a falling wedge that we had there, but you can see this inverse head and shoulder really well in the 4-hour. I just think they're going to push it a little bit higher. Could be wrong. Always, am hedged anyway. So just wanted to give you those views, but I think we're close to topping out here. What will be the catalyst? Now, the Fed comes up this week, so normally those are bullish days. So we could have a couple of days of up move and then usually after the Fed is bearish. Now, last time that didn't happen because Ben Bernanke was talking about a weak economy, but the day after it rallied because everybody went, oh my God, the interest rates are going to stay low forever. So pretty much that's where we stand. We have not got a real strong sell signal. But on the daily, I'm going to open this up. We had on Friday, we had a dragonfly doji. Okay, let's see if I can make this a little bit clearer. I can't see it too well, but there's a dragonfly doji there. And there's also several dojis that you see here that shows indecision. So we will see what happens coming up this week, but trade carefully. I will do a video on RIM. This is what we've been trading back and forth in the Traders Lounge and done really, really well with that. We traded it up, we traded down, then we traded up again. So it's a good stock that you can ride the range. It has a great range, so you can make some good money doing that. And we're also on MasterCard. And MasterCard on earnings, I was short before, flipped it in the morning, and I've been long since. So it's doing pretty well. It was showing huge strength on Friday. So thanks a lot. Hope to see you in the Traders Lounge. Take care.